Good day, good people. Thank you for joining me for another video here on the SVG Tuts YouTube channel. I am Phaedra Dion, owner and lead educator here at SVG Tuts. I just wanted to make a short video to talk to you about a freebie from Cricut. It is a free download, a cheat sheet for beginners about the layers panel. It's an overview. They show it to you here, but if you go to the link in my description and click on it, you'll get here, and then you can click here and you will see a downloadable PDF that talks about the layers panel. You don't need Acrobat installed. It'll open up in your browser, and then you can print this out and keep it handy for when you want to learn about different options in the layers panel. It talks about the combine menu, about weld, about unite, about subtract, intersect, exclude, attach, detach, flatten, unflatten, and even contour. So it's a pretty good resource, and even if you've been using your Cricut for a while, it may be something that you might want to reference. So there's a link in my description. If you click that, it'll take you to this page, and then you can click to download. And it is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a thing. And there's also some learn more stuff. So here's the beginner's guide and design. So there's more to click on. And if you want to just go straight to learn.cricut.com, you can do that too. And you can learn some things or relearn some things about Cricut Design Space and using the different cutting machines. If you need help, leave me a comment. If you have questions, leave me a comment. If you have comments, leave me a comment. And thanks so much for watching this very short video.